All right, so looking at your Ultima, for state inspection, your right front fog light is shattered and does fail state inspection, so I'll be putting in a recommendation for that. We'll have to replace the entire fog light so that it will pass state inspection, and we'll get that done for you here shortly. So let's say they don't approve the fog light. Then they get a rejection sticker. What that means is they have failed to meet the criteria for the state inspection, and they now have 15 days to correct it. Then they can come back and we'll do a state inspection on just that component, and they issue them a good sticker. If they wait 16 days, we have to do a whole new state inspection, the whole process again. Just with this little piece of screen right here, I know several things. I know that because there's not a box next to here, it would be a box colored, where's Legend? There we go. I would have these colored 3 boxes, waiting at parts, working at parts, and it's complete. Once parts finishes it, the box goes away. That means the service advisor has seen it. Now I'm just waiting for him to send, and see how it's green all the way across? This one's not, these are not. That means we don't have the parts in stock. We're gonna have to order the parts. So this car's going outside. I'm not gonna sit here and wait, you know, but if I really wanna know, I'll click on it.
At least your advisor's charging an hour and a half.
And it'll tell me repair. Oh, repair. Oh, they approved it. The client has told the advisor or approved it themselves. There's 2 ways they can do it. When they get sent the MPI on their phone, say, they can look at the video, see the MPI, and they can thumbs it up right there. Or they can call in and say, hey, Mike, I want you to go ahead and fix that for me. Or I need more information, or whatever, you know. So now I need to know, when's the part gonna be here? So I go over here and I click view parts, scroll down to our fog lamp, 2 days. I'm gonna wait a little while, because if it's 2 days, the service advisor is gonna go to the parts department. Can we get it aftermarket? Can we get it from a local source? And then in about 15, 20 minutes, if they can, that'll change to later today. Voila. Sure, it's exactly the same, because a half a year off will make a huge difference sometimes.
Why is that?
Because they change the design halfway through production, and if it's a, say, a June or earlier production, it's this part, but if it's a July or later production, it's this other part. So we always check the parts to make sure that they're the same before we try stabbing them in there. It works, doesn't it? Yay. Okay. We now know it works, so I can go ahead and write a new sticker.